vlog. I thought you were gonna do your vlog.
I am vlogging. Say hi, Crystal. Don't cover your face, you look nice. You look upset. Are you upset with me now?
What?
You look upset now.
Want me to do the serious face I always do?
That's the face you're doing right now. Say something to the camera.
I was trying to do the serious face.
You look upset. Hi everyone.
You're vlogging?
Yes, I am vlogging. You wanna hold the camera for me?
Yeah.
So, what should I talk about? What happened today? Class, how boring it was.
Nothing happened in class.
Very hot, very boring.
I was freezing in class.
English class was actually pretty decent. I liked it. It was cool. It wasn't like very hot, and we laughed a lot.
You laugh a lot.
We laughed a lot.
I was bored.
Cause like who you're sitting with.
What do you mean who I'm sitting
I'm not
with?
gonna say on camera.
You're mean, you see?
I'm not gonna say on camera. She is boring.
No, she's not.
She doesn't watch this anyway, but she's boring. She is. She's being edgy.
You're gonna put this up?
I don't care. I'm Simon, and I'm that cool. I'm conceited like that. On camera.
What?
I'm conceited on camera.
On camera, right?
Off camera, it's just like, I'm sad. What about the ice cream, the cookie dough?
The what?
Cookie dough? Cookie dough, you know, comes in a roll.
Yeah, I know what cookie dough is.
Yeah, it comes in a fucking roll. You snap it.
No.
Yeah.
Wait, you eat cookie dough?
For girls doing the press, you don't get it. It's like it's making fun of girls. You eat ice cream and cookie dough?
Uh-huh.
It's over your head now. Never mind. We're on a train.
Yeah.
We haven't guys noticed. So I don't know, Crystal, tell them about yourself. It's the first time. It's the first time you show up on camera. It's Crystal.
Well, I'm gonna show up in one of his videos one day.
Are you?
Yeah.
Which one?
I don't know.
You coming up on this one?
I know, right? First one.
You could show up on a bunch of them. You just don't want to.
No, I do want to. When's your next one?
I make them every day. I film every day. Right, YouTube? We film every day. You guys get to see me shower, feed my dogs. When I shower, I take swimming trunks on. It's not I'm naked. I swear to God.
Why would you see?
Because it's so cool. Like they get to see my life.
You need a reality show then.
I do have reality here. It's on YouTube, and it's free. Well, you have to pay for your internet, but unless you steal it like I do, but. Oh, I don't steal it. I don't steal it. I pay Optimum.
Oh, by the way, whoever sees this, me and my cousin and a couple of my friends, we're going to be filming a little short film, and it's going to be coming out in the summertime, so watch out for that. We don't have the name.
I'm gonna put a link for it somewhere on one of the videos, so I'll talk about it when you do it.
Yeah.
I give you a little promo.
I have to make a new YouTube account also.
Well, why don't you just shout out the one you have now?
The one I have now? Kaylin Randomness. This one I have now.
What is that?
KLYNNERAOMNESS. Kaylin Randomness.
I'll just put it on the underbar.
The K stands for Crystal, and Lynn is my middle name.
Okay, so do you have like a fan page or a group for Facebook?
I have to make everything.
So it's a slacker, man. The Breaking Point, had, you know, like, we have everything. You have a Twitter account, you have a Ustream, you have a Blog TV, you have a website.
I never had time for any of that, but I do now. Now that summertime is coming, so
you can have a Twitter page?
Yeah, unfortunately.
You have a Twitter right now?
No, I don't.
Why not?
Who's gonna see the Twitter?
I would.
You would.
And everyone who watches my vlog would. Right, guys? You support Crystal's Twitter page. But now that you're here, you're gonna be getting like a lot of like stalkers. Like, you're gonna be like, oh, that girl in your vlog. Just like that. You should see my sister. Every time she shows up in one of the vlogs, like, she's hot.
Really?
What's her number?
What vlog is she in? You put that one up?
She's on almost every one of my vlogs. Cause I normally vlog on the weekends and I always record, but I'm like always editing on them. So when I do put them up, it's like random. But
that's the one that you stepped on her New Moon DVD.
Huh?
That's the sister that you stepped on her New Moon DVD.
Yeah. You guys remember that shit? That's pretty cool.
Ass. I'm sorry. That's
How?
an asshole moment.
How?
Who like messes with the New Moon DVD?
Well, I'm letting you know, all the people who watch this, you guys don't like New Moon.
You don't?
Yeah, ask YouTube. Ask YouTube if they like New Moon. That's the question of the day. I'm not even gonna normally ask my question of the day. Question of the day is, do you guys like New Moon? I already know the answer, but Crystal wants to know, so.
I love New Moon.
You should.
Twilight.
You should like the books, not the movies.
I read all the books too, and I like them all.
You like the movies? Shame. It's a shame. So what else do you like to do, Crystal, for fun?
For fun?
You don't know?
Well, besides the normal stuff, going to the movies, hanging out with friends, reading.
Chasing people?
Chasing people? Yeah, I do that
That's
all
what
the
we
time.
do. We chase people.
Yeah, I chase people all the time.
Oh, so then you're part of our community then. We chase animals, people.
Oh, I chase squirrels.
We used to chase them, but we just found out recently they're too fast for us. So we chase like pigeons and shit, because they don't fly off until like you get really, really close.
Pigeons? I took a picture of a pigeon.
Your phone is on.
I'm gonna turn it on.
Oh my god, guys, this is like a special moment. She's turning on her phone on the train.
On my phone on the train.
On the train.
I never do that.
And I recently found out why.
Huh?
You recently just told me why, too. It's funny.
Why I never turn it on the train?
Yeah. You just like told me today why you don't.
Because I always feel like if like the train gets stuck on the ground or something.
You don't have a charger?
What?
You don't carry a charger?
No.
I do. You have to be eco-friendly, man.
I took a picture of a pigeon because I was sitting down waiting for my friend to come out of school. And I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the pigeon was just laying down, just chillaxing.
Oh yeah.
You see it?
That's pretty funny. He's just like laying there.
And then a guy walked by and he flew and he went in front of me and it's the same position.
So why did you like pick him up?
What?
Did you, like pick it up?
No.
Why not?
What am I gonna pick it up?
Some fucking
I almost
badass.
forgot to turn off my phone.
Uh-oh. Where are we? Oh, can you see what's going on outside? No. It can't go see what's going on outside. I mean, when Crystal doesn't want to be on camera. From my understanding. She doesn't like you, YouTube. I mean, she doesn't like my YouTubers. You know what? You probably the only people you're gonna get from subscribe to you are the people that are subscribed to me. I'm not trying to say like, because when they find out like they see you on this video and your channel's like related to the channel, they're gonna be like, oh, let's go check out this. And you come on with one of the related videos.
Mine, it's nothing really. It's just
you look nice in this angle. Like, yo, you look mad bright. It's like mad angelic. I'm gonna show it to you. It's funny. So we're working on like the last few seconds of video. Anything you want to say to YouTube before?
What?
Anything you want to say to YouTube?
Oh. It was nice talking to you. Nice talking to his subscribers. So wait, subscribers.
So you can't even say it either. Talking smack about the subscribers. So guys, you know our tagline. You already know, so keep on trolling, everybody. Just keep on trolling. Alright, so Chris is gonna do the tagline to close out the show. It's a sad day, you don't want to see me do it, but she'll do it, so.
Simon and Crystal, signing out.
She did it better than I did.